Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick build challenge. So I'm going to do a 10-minute build. So I have 10 minutes to build something, and then I'm going to have 5 minutes to build something, 1 minute to build something, and then 10 seconds to build something. So this is going to be it's going to be shorter than my other video, but it's still not going to be that long. It's still going to be a pretty long video compared to some videos, but I'm going to start streaming on my computer soon, so if you guys want that, make sure to smash that like button. So we're going to have Minecraft open. We're going to make a custom world for this, so I'm just... Alright guys, we're going in. So we're going to have 10 minutes first, which is going to be pretty easy. And we're going to be making simple houses for everyone. So I can't get the supplies or anything. I can't get anything. So let me just go to here and then get rid of these. Okay. So the first one what we're doing is 10 minutes. Ready? Go. Okay guys, we have 10 minutes on the clock to build something. Okay. So we're gonna first get this. Glass. Okay, this is all that we need for right now. So let's just make a little door frame. Oh yeah, I forgot doors. I don't need this yet. Alright, I'm just gonna make a simple small house. Make the windows later, just like how I normally build. And if any of you guys are new to Minecraft and you take this offensive, please, I'm not trying to mean it in an offensive way. But if you're on a limit of time, you're trying to build something, puts you on a little bit of pressure, not gonna lie, because it really replicates how good you are at the game. So probably this video is either gonna come out today or tomorrow, depending, like I always say, depending on editing. Wait, so right now I'm gonna make the windows. Let's just make quick, easy 2 windows. If you guys are new to Minecraft and you are watching this video, please, if you don't know how to make a house, watch this video, because I'm gonna also give tips on building houses next video. Kind of have that. Make this. And when it's done, I have to I have to stop building. I can't touch anything, even if I'm 1 block away. I'll just be 1 block away from being complete. I'm gonna finish the roof later because I really need this done. Give me a door too. I think we probably have about 5 minutes left. And when I'm done, I just have to decorate it, which I'm probably not gonna have time to decorate it. Probably gonna be literally finished, and then like if I feel like I don't think I'll have enough time to finish decorating, then I won't. And my friend Hudson is starting a channel, so I'm going to put the link to his and my friend Landon's channel in the description. Make sure to check them out. Hudson, the last time I checked, he posted like probably 5 hours ago. And I feel like his videos or intros, he's was talking about starting to screen record games and stuff, but he wants to record on his Xbox, so I told him to just look up a tutorial. And that's how I learned. So here's that. And this isn't good. I have 10 minutes and I did not do good with time. This does not look that good. Let's begin our house. So now let's just decorate with the bed, crafting table, lantern. You guys know furnace, just the usual. I can get rid of glass, put that with a bookshelf, and then that with that. Boom. The bed, crafting table. There. Oh wait, what? What just happened, guys? What just happened there? Just kicked me out of Minecraft. That was weird. Oh. What the heck? Oh my god, it just kicked me out. And I don't know how much time's left. It's probably coming up soon. So I have to finish my thing. Alright, rude. So then I'm gonna put 2 more chests right there. Bookshelf. The books right here. And on top. Connect. And then boom. Boom. I need a painting. For a simple TV. This is just a little technique to get to. You have to build around it. You can put a little chest right here. Wait, where'd my furnace go? I thought I had a furnace right there. There we go, guys. I'm officially done with the starter house. I could probably put 2 more bookshelves right here. 2 more right there. And there. I already have a chest right there, so then that. Just fill this up. Make it like this. Get the wall bookshelves right there. That's the wall, and then we have this, which is the TV, so I'm lay in bed. Watch TV. I think I did pretty good for the 10-minute one. So I'm gonna see how much time is left on the clock. 2 minutes remaining. I think I have time to build a chimney, which I did not think I had time to build. So here's the roof, and the chimney would probably go like right here. Hopefully, oh, there's a chest right there. Yeah, I kind of filled the place up. But I guess we can build the chimney on the outside. I guess the inside doesn't run. I don't think I guess you don't need to see how many. Uh-oh, guys. Running out of time. Well, this is a beginner house. I get to do whatever I want. Yeah. I probably have about like a minute and a half on the clock. Nothing's working right now. Yeah. That's probably how you would build a chimney. You need cobwebs. Alright guys, timer's done. As you can see, the 10 minutes is up. Let's see what I got to do. Alright, here's the final result of the house. So there's that. If we go inside the house, we have the little bookshelf right here, the bed right here. So there, I think I did a pretty good job. And now we're gonna go on to round 2, where it is 1 minute, or actually it's 5 minutes. And we're starting, oh gosh, probably took way too long. Okay, we have to build this other house. We have to build another house with only 5 minutes left. This is gonna be a lot harder. So, not all of them have to be starter houses, but the reason I was doing starter houses is because I didn't really think I'd have time to build anything else while I was writing the script for this, and I was thinking, man, I don't have any other time to do anything. So I just decided to do this. This is probably going to be it's like 16, 17 minute long video, depending on the introduction. We get the Darkle Thor cub. So you're probably thinking, Carson, why are you spending so much time on your inventory to get to work? I know, but there's stuff that needs to be done. Okay, there's this. I need glass. This one's going to be a little bit more detail. So I'm just, I don't know if that's going to look good. I don't think that is. Unless I built the door frame. And if you guys want to do this challenge, make sure to send it to me or something, or send me the link through the comment section, because I would love to see what you guys did for this. So I'm just going to do 2. I think I'd look too stupid with just 4, with 4s. Okay. And then go here, here, fill up, here, here, fill up. And hopefully it's in like a nice pattern. Okay. fill in the windows. Now I'm in Influence when I'd usually have 2 minutes. I'd have 3 minutes. When I'd have 8 minutes in, I'd only have 3 minutes in now. So, I should put slabs. Alright, I'm gonna do something else for the roof this time. Just gonna fill up the roof. The 10-second one, I'm probably just gonna get the door done. Okay. There. That's what I'm doing for the roof. Alright, time to put the lanterns in for glass. There's one here. Just one and two. That's all we really need for the lighting. I'm really running out of time. I think literally I have the perfect amount to break every single thing. Okay, guys, I have no time left. I've been counting in my head, and I'm probably like a minute or two off, but I think I have 45 seconds. If you guys want to do this video, like I said, send the link in the comment section. Shout out to Honey Music Man and Landon. Okay, the beds right here, we're gonna have 2. This is all we got. Well, I guess I have to still face it. Okay, so what we have is this little hut right here. It's not as good as oh god. So you have this right here. And on the inside we just have 2 beds and the lanterns. And now we have the 10-second one. No, the 1-minute one. Yeah. Alright, and go. Oh my gosh. Okay, time for the last one. That's the final one. I'm just gonna do like a 4x5. Just get this done. So we only have a minute, so. I'm gonna be lucky if I get the frame done. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm just gonna need glass. Because I'm not gonna be able to fill up anything else for the 1 minute. This is all I got. So we got this little thing. And this is all we have. For the 10-second one. Oh boy. 10-second one, guys. It's probably over as soon as I get in Minecraft. Probably be able to build like and it's done. Guys, for our 10-second house, it's literally the biggest house in the world. It's the biggest house ever because look at this, guys. Look how big this is. Literally, it never ends. That's how big it is. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got this video while I was taking a nap. I'm just kidding, I never take naps. But I just thought of it in my head. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.